The histological appearance of bone is a fascinating study in the complexity of living tissues. Under the microscope, bone reveals a structured architecture that reflects its critical roles in the body, including support, protection, and mineral storage. This cellular framework comprises various types of cells, fibers, and ground substances, all meticulously arranged to perform robust functions. At the heart of bone tissue are osteocytes, the mature bone cells embedded within small cavities known as lacunae. These cellular residents maintain bone tissue health through their extensive network of dendritic processes, which connect with other osteocytes through tiny channels called canaliculi. This communion supports nutrient exchange and ensures the structural integrity of the bone, forming a dynamic cellular ecosystem that adapts to mechanical stresses. Layers of bone or lamellae create a well-defined structure that can be observed in both compact and spongy bone. Compact bone, appearing dense and solid under histological examination, is organized into osteons or haversian systems. Each osteon consists of concentric lamellae surrounding a central canal that houses blood vessels and nerves, fostering communication and nourishment. In contrast, spongy bone showcases a network of trabeculae, creating an airy and light structure, allowing for resilience while minimizing weight. Collagen fibers play a pivotal role in the composition of bone, providing flexibility and tensile strength that balance the rigidity imparted by mineral deposits, primarily hydroxyapatite crystals. This harmonious relationship between collagen and mineral crystals forms a composite material, making bone simultaneously robust and adaptable, capable of withstanding various stresses that the body faces daily. The vascular nature of bone is evident in its extensive blood supply, crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. The presence of bone marrow within the medullary cavity further enriches the bone's histological appearance, serving as a site for hematopoiesis, the production of blood cells. This dynamic environment showcases the functional diversity of bone beyond mere structural support, highlighting its active involvement in the body's physiological processes. In summary, the histological appearance of bone reflects an intricate design, characterized by a complex interplay of cells, fibers, and minerals. Understanding this layered structure offers invaluable insights into how bones develop, heal, and adapt over time, ultimately enhancing our appreciation of this vital tissue. With every observation made under the microscope, the beauty and resilience of bone architecture become more evident, revealing the remarkable system that underpins our very existence.